Hello children, in today's class I will solve some more example on linear equations in one variable. This is example number 8, page 26. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupees coin. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? तो व्हाट वी विल डू फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले हम जो ये क्वेश्चन दिया उसको क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो लेट द नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन coins Bansi has the x. Then in the question what is given? Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupees coins. तो नंबर ऑफ 2 rupees coins कितने हो जाएंगे? 3x हो जाएंगे बिकॉज इट इज 3 टाइम्स. ओके, नाउ अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अमाउंट फाइंड करेंगे. अमाउंट ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन्स कितने हो जाएंगे? हियर नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपीज कॉइन्स इज x. इसकी अमाउंट कितनी होगी? 5x. क्लियर? And amount of 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins कितने? 3x. तो 2 into 3x हो जाएगी उसकी अमाउंट, मीन्स 6x. Okay, now here given if he has in all a sum of rupees 77, means जो total amount है वो कितना है? 77. You will write here according to question 5x plus 6x is equal to 77. Simplify it. 11x is equal to 77. Means x is equal to 7. So number of 5 rupees coins will be नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपीज कॉइन्स क्या थी? x थी, तो 7 हो जाएगी. एंड नंबर ऑफ 2 रुपी कॉइन कितनी हो जाएगी? 2 rupee coins will be here 3x. So 3 into in place of x 7 means 21. Okay, this will be the answer. If you want to check this answer, you can find amount of 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin, how many? It is 7. Amount of 5 rupees, सेवन इंटू 5 हो जाएगा, मीन्स 35. एंड अमाउंट ऑफ 2 rupee coins will be 21 into 2 means 42. टोटल अमाउंट कितना होगा? 35 plus 42 means 77. Here it is given if he has in all a sum of 77 rupees. By this you can check your answer. Now example number 9. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. Solution. Okay, let x be a multiple of 11. One multiple of x 11 is x, if you suppose. Then another will be, next two multiple will be multiple of 11 will be, क्या हो जाएंगे? They will be x plus 11 1 and x plus 11 plus 11 means x plus 22. So we have three multiples. One is x, another is x plus 11 and third one is x plus 22. Three consecutive multiples of 11. Therefore, clear? Here you can write that three consecutive multiples of 11 will be x, x plus 11 and x plus 22. Okay. Now here it is given that sum of three consecutive multiples means if we add all these three, x plus 11 plus x plus 22, it is 363. Now you can solve it. These are like terms. X, it will become 3x plus 11 plus 22, 33. 363. Then we transpose this. We will transpose 33 to right hand side. 363 minus 33. It is plus here, so it will become minus on other side. 3x is equal to 0, 3, 3. So x will be 330 upon 3 means 110. So one multiple is 110. Another is x plus 11. You can write here one multiple is equal to x is equal to 110. Second multiple x plus 11 is equal to x, in place of x here 110 plus 11. This will give you 121, and third will be third multiple x plus 22 means 110 plus 22 means 132. These are three multiples: 110, 121 and 132. If you add all these three multiples, you will get 363. Now third example is example 10. Clear? The difference between two whole numbers is 66, and the ratio of two numbers is 2:5. What are the two numbers? The difference between two whole numbers. Two whole numbers is 66, and the ratio of two numbers is numbers is 2:5. What are the two numbers? Now solution. टू नंबर्स के रेशियो दिए हुए हैं 2:5. गिवन रेशियो ऑफ टू numbers two is to 5. Therefore, if one number is two x, then another will be 5x. Here given the difference between two whole numbers. One number is this and one number is this. Difference find करेंगे according to question. Five x minus 2x is equal to 66. 5x minus 2x, 3x. X is equal to 66 divided by 3 means 22. What will be the numbers? First number find कर लेते हैं. First number will be 2 into 22 means 44, and second number will be 5x. 5 into in place of x 22. 1 1 10. Okay. Now if you find difference between these two numbers, you will get 66. So this is the answer. I will give questions based on these example. Do it.